When you're solving an equation that contains variables in the denominator, you want to be on the lookout for excluded values. These are numbers that make the denominator equal 0. -4 and 1 would make these denominators equal 0, so if we solve and get those numbers, we want to leave them out. On to solving. When you solve an equation that has fractions, a great first step is to multiply both sides by the denominators. In this case, w plus 4 and w minus 1. When multiplying the left side of the equation by w plus 4 and w minus 1, the w plus 4's cancel, leaving us with -3 and w minus 1. On the right side, we're going to distribute that through, and the blue multiplied by -4 is written there. And then when we multiply the blue times -7 over w minus 1, those w minus 1's cancel, leaving me with -7 and w plus 4. By multiplying both sides by the denominators, all the fractions are gone, so we're ready to simplify each side. On the left, let's distribute -3. -3 times w is -3w, and -3 times -1 is +3. On the right side, my preference is to FOIL and then multiply by -4. So w times w is w squared, w times -1 is -w, 4 times w, 4w, and 4 multiplied by -1 is -4. -7 times w, -7w, -7 times 4 is -28. Simplifying that right side a bit more, let's distribute the -4 through. So we have -4 times w squared, -4 times -w, -4 times 4w, and -4 times -4. Bringing down everything else. Now we're ready to combine like terms. Combining some like terms, we can put 4w, -16w, and -7w together to make -19w. Then we can put 16 with -28 to make -12. Bringing everything else down. I really want that front number in front of w squared to be positive, so that means I'm going to move all of the terms to the left. So I'm going to add 4w squared, add 19w, and add 12. That's going to leave me with 4w squared, and then 16w and 15 equal to 0. Next, we want to factor, then set each factor equal to 0 to solve. Let's subtract 3 and then subtract 5. So I've subtracted 3 to both sides, then divide by 2. I had subtracted 5 divided by 2, so these two are my answers. But we need to double check. Remember, we want to look out for excluded values. Fortunately, we did not get -4 or +1, so both of these are keepers.